Hi guys, hi friends, welcome back to the channel. On this video we're taking it back. We're going back to this past summer. This is the graduation party that we held this past summer for Tara that graduated from college. Please enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This video is basically the whole preparation and party scene. Some of the party scene I cut out because we had guests and kids here that I didn't want to include because they were not my kids. So, and of course there's the music and stuff that was going on. So please enjoy the video anyways. I hope you guys like it and don't forget to subscribe. No video for me? No. You know I'm gonna look at the most seasonal, no?
I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, I want you to tell me how you feel. Looking at you, feeling so deep.
The onion can you already make your foot of onion, the soup and the chicken.
Oh. Where's the joy?
Looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe.
Look a bit more this way.
Alright,
Shit, I'll pay attention. I don't know, but slowly night time, I still have the chicken and put me on. And the pork, red pork.
they put down the basement jar. You must see the carrot down there.
It was that in jar just so guinea.
I saw your phone say windy. The weather.
I haven't seen that much now that it
You see? If you say no, look no. Look no.
no, I mean it's only 60, it was what, 16 pounds. So basically what you wanted to cook anyways. Let me buy the big pan them and maybe buy some of my small. I'll go back with some of my small pan them. Cause instead of put it in a one big pan, we put in a small pan and let the other big pan them. Separate in a small pan and put them in the oven. And then if it's done, we carry out another small pan instead of putting in one big pan. The ribs I'm already washed off.
Yeah, story in one. This is the
That one's spicy. You think you can manage it, but you don't waste it. It doesn't say hot on it. Oh. I don't think you want that. Yeah, but that's what you have to add to it.
If you look like your water.
I'll just pour that in here, so let's see. Yeah. So yeah, but you can't throw the water in here, so that huh?
Oh, when you look at me like that,
Salt.
I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, I want you to tell me how you feel. Hey, you keep looking at me, looking at you, feeling so deep, gonna catch an overload. Looking at me, looking at you, babe. I've been looking at you all day, looking so good, looking at me, making Oh, it's just something about your way now. You keep looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get it close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. You make me wanna put my roots down. You make me wanna put my roots down. Try. We could try. You make me wanna put my roots down. You make me wanna put my roots down. Try. Yeah, we could try. Hey, I think I'm into you. You made me wanna put my roots down. Made me wanna put my roots down. Yeah. Wanna get in close to you. Made me wanna put my roots down. Made me wanna put my roots down. Down, diddy, down. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get in close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. You make me wanna put my roots down. You make me wanna put my roots down. Try. We could try. You make me wanna put my roots down. You make me wanna put my roots down. Try. Yeah, we could try. Let me wanna put. I put my roots down. Let me wanna put. I put my roots down. Let me wanna put. I put my roots down. Let me wanna put. I put my roots down. Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, oh.
Party prep has started. Right now, we're doing the water bottles. I got labels off of Amazon. It's 100 labels, I think. And we're labeling the water bottles with, they say different things, like this one, 2023 graduate, grad, and then, but yeah. But they're really easy to put on too. And they were pretty cheap. For like 100, I think it was like, I don't even remember how much they were, but it was pretty affordable. Now on the second case. I'm recording. Say hi. Put your wig cap on.
You know what?
Put your wig cap on.
Right.
We have all the other things over here. These are all the things that need to get done. We gotta do the candy. The things for the candy's downstairs, and some is over here. Gotta get them from the basement. We got a cotton candy machine, some decorations, and stuff like that. So the waters are all done. All the labels are on. I still have a bunch left over, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. But all the labels are on the waters. Now I'm gonna start on the candy. I'm gonna put all like the packaged candy. The packaged candy into these, and then the loose candies I'm gonna wait until the day of, because I don't want to take them out of their wrapping right now. So I'm gonna put like these Tootsie Rolls. I have more candy somewhere else. I have those are just gonna stay in that, or maybe I'll take them out, I don't know. But since it already came in a container, I don't know if I'm going to take these out. Anyway, I have these Tootsie Rolls. These Swedish Fish are gonna stay in here. I didn't realize these were minis. I should have picked up another bag. What else? But then there's the loose candies, like the what's it called? The M&Ms and these, what's it called? I'm just gonna open this 1 second. Skittles. Yeah, the Skittles, but these are gonna go into these containers that are from the dollar store. And then I have smaller ones for the loose candies, like the Skittles and the M&Ms. They're down here somewhere from the dollar store. I didn't even know they had these, but they're really handy. I don't feel like taking them off. Oh, I also have Ring Pops that are gonna go in there. And I also got, where is it? I don't know where it is. Oh, here it is. That big bag of Smarties, because I got labels. I don't want to turn my camera really hot. Whatever. I got labels from Amazon. Most of the stuff is from Amazon, Walmart, or the dollar store. The candy is from BJ, some of it, and then some of it's also from Walmart. But anyway, I got most of the stuff from there because it was the cheapest and easiest, and didn't have to drive all over the world to find stuff. But yeah, I'm about to put those. I'm about to do that. I'm not recording myself doing it because I literally look like this right now, and that's not appealing for the internet. So yeah, but I should give you guys a tour of everything that's over here, like some decor, like I said. So I have these frames. You can come in here, Terrence. I have this like tool that's going to go on the tables. I have more decoration down there. It's a lot of stuff, but I'm about to get started on some of it, so that way, like, it's Wednesday right now, but we don't want to spend all day Saturday doing this stuff. We want to set up on Saturday, and so we want to set up on Saturday, so all the prep and stuff is going to be done between today. Why so far?
I could zoom in, Satara.
No, but just come closer to the zooming here.
I could look.
But come closer.
I have my shoes on.
Okay, so I already showed you guys some of the stuff over there. I didn't show them everything. I just showed them some of the stuff that's over there. But more stuff came today. So we got these like balloons.
Yeah.
Okay, we got these stands that are meant for balloons. And we're either gonna put these towards the edges of the backyard or at the ends of the tables. We'll see when we start putting stuff up. Then we got some full fringe curtains for like backdrop. So I got a I got a gold and I got a black, since those are the colors. I was gonna get a silver too. But I think these will be enough because there's supposed to be 3 in here. So 3 will be enough.
It is. They're vacuum sealed.
Next, what is this? Today, I have scoops and tongs. I think I said that earlier. I have scoops and tongs coming, and labels for the. No, it's not on me.
It is on you.
I have labels for the food coming, so we can decorate it all nice. Let me show you guys what we're gonna do for the table. For the food table.
You found something on Pinterest?
Yeah, remember? I think I sent you. I think I sent it to you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Either a picture or a link that I sent you. Oh, I think I showed it to you.
Yes. You missed your awards, huh?
Yeah. Hush. I also missed the donut party for my friends.
Because you choose to stay home. You show them all this stuff back here?
No, I didn't show them like everything, but I like that.
I like the yeah, all this stuff, party stuff, all these boxes and stuff. You know what? They probably use that card out there too for something.
Probably, yeah.
Maybe that could be for the liquor, seeing as we technically don't have something for the actual liquor, not the actual hard liquor and stuff like that.
Something like this for the table. Obviously not with like the flowers and stuff like that, but the plates laid out nicely. The plates we got are down there. This is what I found, and this is what I found.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, they showed me that one.
But something like this, where because the food table always looks boring whenever we throw something. We want it to look nice. And maybe we should have picked up some of those greeneries from that store. Okay, so we just packaged the candy. I have, these are just, what, 5 of them? Yeah, 6 of them. But I have 4 more. 4 more? I just told you them. I'm not too. Never mind. Anyway, I think I have candy down there. Oh yeah, actually, I need 4 more because I have Charlie's down there. The little worm candy.
Didn't she want no voiceover?
I don't know. I don't know what she does. But yeah, that's all. What's it called? How do I zoom? You gonna wrap those?
No, so they don't touch.
But party prep continues. Who picked those up? Picking boarding. Just wrapped all of these for me. It's not as much as we thought, so we might need to wrap more. There's somewhere here, but we don't know. But
How much was that box?
where's the box? 160. Oh, I don't remember. I'm not gonna lie. But
Yeah, actually, yeah, that's one of them. Just supposed to fork.
just the forks.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's probably you won't grab it. Let's be honest.
She doesn't eat food. Can they stop yelling? Okay. So we're just elsewhere. And we got this 3 feet balloon tower stand. Ah! That goes on the ground. So that's nice. We got these that we're gonna keep like extra stuff in. But we don't want to put everything out here for like spoons and forks and stuff. We're gonna put honestly some out. And not everything. It's gonna be extras. I'm gonna put in these. We got 3 of those. Huh? These are the ones that go in the ground. So we're gonna put these in the ground. So we picked up some extra lighters because we always need them. We picked up this tray to put the forks and spoons on the table and on. More lighters. These are the table stands for the balloon. Our decoration's very blue and heavy. Then we got another one for the table. And then I got 4 more of these for the candies because we needed 4 more? I don't really remember how much we needed, but I got 4 more. And then we picked up little forks for the fruits. Yep, these are gonna be for the fruits, and then I picked up this extra tongs for whatever we may need them for. So that's all we got. And we got had picked up spoons. Anyway, I guess we picked up spoons too. But anyway, that's all we got. We have the Jello shots. Hey, where's the box? We found these Jellos at Walmart in Pennsylvania.
Oh, I can't even take these.
Wow. Oh yeah, they're gelatin. They're Jello.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I'm about to say. I was like, did you forget that you can't anyway? But anyway, she's a Muslim, so she can't drink gelatin.
Get out.
Sit back over. So these two are making the Jello shots.
The flavors.
The smell. The smell. So we have, I don't know the flavors honestly, but the one is cherry, one is blueberry.
She's one.
She's a year younger than and something else. And so they're making them. The smell is hitting you as soon as you hit the kitchen. For reference, YouTube, everyone is over 21. So I know y'all like to leave people's videos. We had to add more because that tasted like just pure jello. You know one thing I like about her? Say hi, Logan. I'm not gonna put you on camera.
Mama, you want some?
You greedy ass little girl.
You can't have some, okay? You want? What do you want? You still hungry? What do you want to eat?
She don't want to eat the burger.
You don't want the burger? What do you want to eat, Mama?
There's rice and bully beef. I don't know if
Rice?
she likes rice.
She likes rice. She's gonna get you some rice, okay? Jay, do you drink?
That's a lot better.
Do you? No, right? No, right?
You just need to taste it.
Right.
Just need to taste it.
Because we can't tell if it has alcohol in it. How does it taste? Still?
I wouldn't.
Damn, you're making a mess. Yeah.
Did you look over and see she had made a mess?
Yeah.
This is not a lot of jello shots.
Julie, we're not done.
I apologize.
Rubbish. Like, how much you trying to get people effed up?
It's none of my business.
I will be taking some of these back to school. And I will be taking any liquor that people that you don't see.
Listen, I'm trying to find my lifestyle this summer. I don't pay for nothing. I'm broke. I also took the goat meat out to start thawing. My grandma's gonna say she's gonna start cooking tomorrow, Dory. Dory said she's gonna start cooking tomorrow.
You're gonna go blow up balloons?
We took. I have to go in the basement trying to find the pump.
Are we starting today?
The goat meat? No, tomorrow. The goat meat is out, and then the rest of the meat is coming out tomorrow. Second tent is going up. Excuse me. Yeah. Attention, folks. It's not this.
Okay, so here the kids are about to start making the blowing up the balloons for the balloon arch. I have to do a voiceover here because they were listening to their music, and again, copyright. So yeah, so they were deciding how they were going to do it, and yeah, about to get started. Plus the noise from the pump is very loud, so I decided to just mute this whole section and do a voiceover. She was just explaining that the balloon kit that she bought from Amazon came with different size balloons, so it was made it easier because that way you knew how much to blow each one up because it's already done for you because the size is right there. Sometimes when you get these things, it's not size, so it makes it hard to know when to stop and how to judge your size. But yeah, so yep, they're starting on the balloon arches. So this next few clips is about them making balloon arch. Okay, so after blowing up all the balloons, they decided they had to sit down and decide what shape they're going to make, how they're going to come together and put the balloons together. These things from Amazon are amazing, and once you can figure it out, use YouTube and figure out how to make these arches for yourself, and don't have to pay all those crazy prices that people charge to just come put this stuff together. Yes, I respect their hustle. Yes, I respect that's their job, but if I can do it myself or figure it out with these kids, we will figure it out. So it came together very well in my opinion, but yeah, that's besides the point. Anyways, enjoy the video.
My roots down, made me wanna pull my roots down, yeah. Wanna get in close with you, made me wanna pull my roots down, made me wanna pull my roots down, down, diddy, down. Hey, I think I'm into you, you make me wanna put my roots down, we'll never fly unless we try, try. something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, I want you to tell me how you feel. Hey, you keep looking at me, looking at you, feeling so deep, gonna catch an overload. Looking at me, looking at you, babe. I've been looking at you all day. Looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll
It's night
never fly
before.
unless we try.
It's the night before.
Unless we try. Wanna get it close with you.
It's the night before. Still out here.
Unless we try. Oh, when you smile at me like that,
Getting some stuff together.
I swear there's nothing that could stop me, baby. Oh, I would fight for just your time.
I'm in the
Oh,
light.
it's just something
We can-
about your
we out here.
way now.
Gotta put these
You
inside.
keep looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put
Alright.
my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna
That
get
ma-
it close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try.
It's no longer meat freezer, it's now a juice freezer. I'm on to put the other juices in here. It's now become a water and juice freezer.
Hey, I think I'm into you. You made me wanna put my roots down.
What are you guys doing?
Made me wanna put my
Adding more
roots
balloons?
down.
You're adding more balloons? Add more because I'm just saying.
Wanna get in close with you. Made me wanna put my roots down. Made me wanna put my roots down. Down, diddy, down. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get in close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try.
They don't want their face in it. Just the fruit. Reduce the milk. You know what?
I put my roots in it down.
They want to pop
I put my roots in it down. I put my roots in it down. I put my roots in it. Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so
You already do that.
vibrant. Now
Just
I'm
the
just
two.
pointing out the fact. Hey, I want you to tell me how you feel. Hey, you keep looking at me, looking at you, feeling so deep, gonna catch an overload. Looking at me, looking at you, babe. I've been looking at you all day. Looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get in close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Oh, when you smile at me like that, hey, I swear there's nothing that could stop me, baby. Oh, I would fight for just your time. Oh, it's just something about your way now. You keep looking so good, you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get in close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. I think I'm into you. You made me wanna put my roots down. Made me wanna put my roots down. Yeah.
250 degrees, then we can show on the chicken, you see?
Made me wanna put
So that's the
my
early grill,
roots
grill
down.
was
Made
like,
me wanna put my roots down.
seeing so, we work this by the temperature, between 250 to 300 degrees. See? So we use them thing on the flap, control the temperature.
I this one?
Yeah, like both the top one and the side ones. See, but you know, say, oxygen and more fire, right?
Unless we try.
Well, uniform with them.
Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, I want you to tell me how you feel. Hey. You keep looking at me, looking at you, feeling so deep, gonna catch you off. Looking at me, looking at you, babe. I've been looking at you all day. Looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get in close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Oh, when you smile at me like that, hey, I swear there's nothing that could stop me, baby. Oh, I would fight for just your time. Oh, it's just something about your way now. You keep looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get in close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Hey, I think I'm into you. You made me wanna put my roots down. Made me wanna put my roots down. Wanna get in close with you. Made me wanna put my roots down. Made me wanna put my roots down. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try.
It's still, yeah. It's good though. Yeah, carrot. We don't like carrot. That's carrot.
It's not right. Did I never tell you? I'm not here. Never mind. Jadi ang ito si Andrew. Basta ay ang makalahin.
for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya, with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya, to be with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked. At sundown, come down, think about where we are. It's a long way, way up to everything that we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we love, it's not a long way, way to the spot where we already are. Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here?
Catch the smoke, catch the smoke. The smoke will come up, catch the
Baby, there's
smoke.
no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya. When everything ends, it's a brand new start.
Me never boil it too long.
For the wicked.
Yeah, because last time I remember they mashed them up.
Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya. Kingdom things fall dripping like gold flies.
The camera must say a minute to start using the video. It has taken good video today.
But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we need, we wouldn't need that looking at the things we have. Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya. When everything ends, it's a brand new
Welcome.
start.
What may I
Baby,
do?
there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There's no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya, with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya, to be with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be. At sundown, come down, think about where we are. It's a long way, way up to everything that we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we love, it's not a long way, way to the spot where we already are. Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with.
It's almost finished. Just putting on the final touches. You know, it's party time. Woohoo! Ooh, let's party. Ooh, let's party. Anyways, don't pay attention to me. But yeah, just finishing up, setting up. Let's get this party going. Yeah, baby.
In our kingdom, kings fall, dropping like little flies. There's a price to pay to get enough things we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we need, we wouldn't need them, need that, looking at the things we have. Stay here under the...
Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, I want you to tell me how you feel. Hey, you keep looking at me, looking at you, feeling so deep, gonna catch an overload. Looking at me, looking at you, babe. I've been looking at you all day. Looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try.
Tara's aunt, Naida's aunt, and Mia's mother. It's nice to having you with us to celebrate our milestones and achievements. It is a great honor to have one of our first college graduate. And then we have one moving on to high school. And my little prime one moving on to a
Kindergarten.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna give thanks for Jordan Mercy's support to everybody that is here, and just ask God for guidance and thank Him for today. Most righteous and eternal Father, we give Thee thanks, we give Thee praise, mighty God. You're worthy to be praised. We are alive, we're well, and we're here. Thank you for everybody who has journeyed here and who is on their way here, mighty God. Guide and protect them, mighty God. Lord, we pray for the graduates, mighty God, that everything will go according to plan, according to your will also, mighty God. We thank you for them. We thank you for the food that has been provided. We thank you and we're asking you to hold the rain a little bit for us, mighty God, so we shall celebrate. And I hope everyone have a good day today, good evening. I thank you in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.
You could be starting from the places that side, so you can help yourselves. You can make a line.
Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, I want you to tell me how you feel. Hey, you keep looking at me, looking at you, feeling so deep, gonna catch an overload. Looking at me, looking at you, babe. I've been looking at you all day. Looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try.
Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, I hope you did not forget to subscribe. I would like for you to like the video and share it once you're done. Share it with your friends, share it with your family members, share it with any and everybody. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around with me. I hope and I promise to be more consistent this year. That is my goal. So thank you for coming and thank you for staying.